Alright, this tiller has a surging problem at idle or when it's not working, and I suspect it's a jet that's plugged. You have to take out this this screw. It's a idle screw, and then there's another little plug underneath here. You just got to pull that out after. This is kind of holding that in, and I'm pretty sure that jet is plugged. Alright, I took this keeper out. It goes straight in the carb up there. You can see where the nice little shiny spot is. And then this this jet, basically it's a air jet, and it's plugged, but it goes straight down in this hole right there. And I thought I was filming, but I wasn't, so you didn't see that happen. You just gotta slowly work it up right in underneath here with the flat screwdriver slowly, otherwise you'll break it. It's plastic. So I couldn't blow it out with air. Real tiny drill bits in here and a holder. There we go again, hanging on with one hand, trying to do everything one hand. Oops. Okay, now when I dump this out, you'll see there's all kinds of different drill bits. We don't know the size we need right now, so I'll just put all that there. I'm going to take the this little jet that I'm attempting. There, you can see a little bit of stuff there. I think that's trying to come out of that hole. Now I'm going to take this drill bit and I'm just going to put it in that hole. Yeah, I could see something in there. And I'll take this and I'll just kind of work it back and forth. Basically drilling out that little jet. That's not. Yeah, there's a lot of gunk in there. Drill this little sucker out. I don't know if you could see, it's going to be coming through here, through that hole real quick. There we go. The drill bit's through. We'll put it back together now. So, got to get it into this little hole there, and it just pushes in. Try and get it in the right spot. Now that should just push straight down. It might be a little. I'm just using a flat screwdriver and working it in there. It's got to go down more yet. It popped out of there. It was kind of hard to pop out. So now we put those, I put that air, little idle air jet or back in. And the keeper, it's just a plastic bolt or whatever, and we're going to start her up now, see if it works. Idle screw plus it keeps that little jet in. Looks like we got this one fixed. Hope this has helped you, and I hope I didn't get you too seasick with my great filming. It's another informational video of how to keep your tiller or any Honda engine from surging. Thanks for watching. Hope you come back again. See you later.